The Middle East is once again on fire. This time, the battleground is Yemen. The Israel Defense Forces have carried out a massive strike in Sana'a and Al-Jawf, targeting the top leadership of the Iranian-backed Houthi rebels. Israel claims that it was a precision operation against those launching missiles and drones towards its cities. But you know what is ground reality here? At least 35 people are dead, building flattened and Yemen's capital shaken to its core. Well, this is not just another skirmish. For weeks, the Houthis have been pushing the envelope, firing drones and long-range missiles. Some even reached deep into Israeli airspace. Their message was very loud but very clear. They see themselves as part of a broader resistance axis against Israel alongside Hamas and Hezbollah. On the other hand, it is Israel. Israel is determined to show it cannot tolerate threat from hundreds of miles away. But here's the dangerous part. This fight is no longer local. Yemen sits right at the mouth of Red Sea, one of the world's most important and busiest trade routes. So, if this conflict spills into the Red Sea, well, global oil supplies and cargo movement could be thrown into chaos. And that's why international observers are warning that every single missile fired in Sana'a shakes not just the Middle East, but the global economy too. For Israel, this is about deterrence, sending a clear message that no enemy, no matter how far, will be safe. For the Houthis, this is also about proving that they can punch above their weight, dragging Israel into a new front. And for the rest of the region, well, it is about the fear that one wrong move could ignite an all-out regional war. Israel facing not just Hamas and Hezbollah, but the Houthis and perhaps even Iran directly. So here are the questions. Is this just another round of tit-for-tat strike? Or are we watching the birth of much larger Middle East war that could drag in powers far beyond the region?